These are examples of what you can build with video understanding in Gemini 2.0. We've introduced this interactive video player in AI Studio that makes it easier to try prompts and explore results. This is a real-time screen recording using our new experimental Gemini 2.0 Flash model. You can use the model to search within your videos. Let's say you need to find and describe animal sightings in this video. Just load it into this player and click to generate captions. With just one prompt, it gives you detailed descriptions like one of the foxes climbs on the rock, or a mountain lion walks through the forest in black and white. It even figures out in this shot that the foxes are playing with each other. Like all models, results won't always be perfect, so you can use this tool to quickly test what works for your applications. And we've open sourced this video player for you to build on top of it. You can use video in all kinds of ways, like extracting text. Say you have a wall of post-it notes from a brainstorm that you need to manually transcribe and organize one by one. You could take a quick video like this, then give it to the model with the prompt, transcribe the sticky notes. We ran this prompt and Gemini 2.0 Flash transcribed all of them in just a few seconds. You can even ask the model to sort them into categories and put it in a table. The model looks across all the names, comes up with possible categories, and sorts them for you. But the model can do more than just transcribe text. It can reason about it and structure the information for you. Say you have some handwritten notes like these, and you need to put all of this into a spreadsheet, organized by item. You can take a video like this, then give it to the model with the prompt, give me a table of my items and notes. And the model creates this table for you, even figuring out that the last note is referring to the ceramic sample next to it. You can also use the model to analyze screen recordings. Let's say you're doing user studies on how people use your product, so you end up with lots of screen recordings like this one that you have to manually comb through. With just one prompt, the model can describe all the actions in your video. It gives you exact time codes of user events, like clicking, scrolling, and more, making it much easier to search through videos like these. And finally, the speed of Gemini 2.0 Flash, which you've seen throughout this video, is what enables real-time video understanding in the new Multimodal Live API. This API lets you use the advanced video capabilities of Gemini 2.0 Flash to build real-time applications with streaming audio and video. These are just a few examples of how you can build your own multimodal AI agents with Gemini 2.0. Start building with Gemini 2.0 at aistudio.google.com.